In the lobby, the main character is a grand staircase, also made of wood. It is decorated, the study and lounge areas are paneled. The small living room library, light wood, white marble. The Venice straw chairs create a country mood. On the balcony...
Hello friends! Today I will show you amazing, beautiful project. The result of careful restoration of the Portuguese heritage of the beginning of 20th century. Let's dive in.
Vidago Park creates an atmosphere of peace and unity with nature thanks to its landscapes, a unique collection of ornamental trees, ponds, and water streams. Its charm was the basis for the creation of a resort surrounded by the lakes and forests of the mountainous area of northern Portugal. Miguel Torga, the famous Portuguese writer, said that Vidago is located in one of Portugal's most beautiful regions, Trás-os-Montes, which he called the Magic Kingdom. But it's not just the scenery that makes this place magical. Since 1886, the water from the Vidago mineral springs was been a benchmark of purity and taste. 100% pure water with natural carbonation brings benefits and inner harmony to your body. Traditional treatments with Vidago waters are known for their therapeutic properties, which include the treatment of digestive diseases, muscle pain, rheumatism, and nervous system disorders, as well as helping to speed up metabolism, cope with cardiovascular problems, and improve skin conditions.
Everything starts in 1908 when the hotel was projected and idealized by the last king of Portugal, Dom Carlos I, who idealized a palace to receive European elite here in Vidago, because Vidago is very well known for the water that we have here in the thermal village, and because our water has very important therapeutic aspects. So the king knows that, and that's why then he idealized a palace to receive his guests and to live here with all the standards and luxury from that time. But unfortunately the king was murdered and the monarchy failed in Portugal and the republic was installed at 6th of October 1910. So at the beginning of 1910 it was used as a hotel, it was opened to the public and it runs very well here as a hotel. After the Second World War, when Europe was divided and it was not very well known, this royalty and all the projection of the luxury from that time of the hotel started to decrease. So this hotel nowadays was bought in 2004 by our companies, and they decided then to reopen, to make an intense refurbishment of the hotel from 2006 to 2010. And after 4 years of intense refurbishment, you see nowadays the hotel as it looks like today. In the details, all style, all decoration leads you back to the time of the king. All details of gold ornaments leads you back to the time of the Belle Epoque, the silk wallpaper that we have in the corridor, even all these details of this special hand-painted wallpaper that we have in our grand suites as well, makes it, the hotel nowadays, very special and unique. Because, for example, in the rooms, you don't find the same room twice. So this makes the hotel very exclusive, and also our rooms. And also in the hotel, you find the Belle Epoque style, the Venetian style as well, and all the details. And even the furniture tries to reflect what was from the time of the king. And we have some furniture which is original from that time. All the decoration and the interior, we have interior architects Diogo Rosalin and José Pedro Vieira, who makes the interior and brings the hotel the aura again from the type of the palace of 1910. In these 4 years of intense refurbishment, we created a new spa, a complete new building with 20 treatment rooms where we do as well thermal treatments, and the spa was completely projected by Alvaro Siza, as well very well architect, well known in Portugal. And also the golf course was extended from 9 holes to 18 holes.
To restore the former splendor of the Vidago Palace, the architects, with the support of the new owners of the hotel complex, carried out painstaking work. The exterior doors and windows were recreated according to the original drawings. Inside, all the wooden details, doors, boiserie and parquet are original. They have been restored and look exactly as they did when the hotel opened. In the lobby, the main character is a grand staircase, also made of wood. It is decorated with the lighting sculptures characteristic of the early 20th century, as well as carpets made in the Portuguese knot technique in natural wool according to the original design of the time. Reclaimed ornamental cement tiles with the marble mosaic borders make up the entrance area. Many of furnishing here are also antiques over 100 years old. High ceilings, spatial halls and panoramic views create a unique atmosphere for the project and emphasize the building's distinguished past. The exquisite decor of the palace, echoing the elegance of an English country estate, pays homage to nature and traditional Portuguese craftsmanship. The muted color palette enhances the sense of casual sophistication. Hand-painted wallpaper, silk wallpaper and mosaic panels are used in the furnishing. The window curtains are made of luxurious textiles. The finest leather and fabrics are used to upholster the furniture. This is particularly evident in the spacious living room in the right wing of the palace. Here too, there are several pieces in the chinoiserie aesthetic in juxtaposition with French chest of drawers. The room on the first floor has a more modern look. A bed is placed in the middle of the vast space. On the other side there is a workplace. Natural materials prevail in the decoration. There is a modern art on the walls. And on the floor there is a luxurious handmade carpet upon the natural wood parquet. The bathroom is equipped with the sanitary ware in the classic style. The room has access to a private terrace. Vidago Palace offers 6 different types of rooms. Each room is individually designed and finished. Here, for example, is one of the suites. The bedroom has hand-painted wallpaper, a bed with a leather headboard and a French dresser with marquetry. The study and lounge areas are paneled. The small living room library also has vintage furniture and murals on the walls. The bathroom has 2 separate furniture compositions. Here the floor has cement tiles and the wet area is completely finished in white Portuguese marble. The sanitary ware is also in traditional English style. In a 5-star hotel, it is impossible to do without a gastronomic experience. The main restaurant of the palace is Salão Nobre. Grand proportions, sumptuous furniture, bronze fixtures, a huge handmade wool carpet and gilded panels of the former ballroom create an impressive setting for a fine dining restaurant. The inner veranda is suitable for special celebrations. Local produce is used to prepare the food, and the traditional dishes of northern Portugal has been deconstructed and reinterpreted to represent the best flavors of the region. These efforts has been recognized by the Michelin Guide. For a less formal dinner, the Vidago Palace wine bar, located in the basement of the palace, with its casual atmosphere, is the place to go. The perfect place for tasting the famous port and wines from the nearby Douro Valley, accompanied by local Iberian ham and tapas. The winter garden, flooded with light thanks to the glass roof, welcomes guests for breakfast. Light wood, white marble, the Venice straw chairs create a country mood. On the balcony are showcases displaying the original silverware used to serve meals at the hotel 100 years ago. Mackenzie Ross built the outstanding Vidago Palace Hotel golf course in 1936, but Cameron and Powell completely redesigned it to meet USGA requirements. It has been converted into a 72-par, 18-hole course and is capable of hosting international championships. The identity of the original design has been retained. The clean country air and lush grounds with ornate mineral water pavilions artfully incorporated into the course make it a pleasure to play and enjoy the scenery. If you want to refresh yourself, stop by the pavilion and try the famous Vidago water straight from the spring. And if you need a more extensive break between rounds, there is a clubhouse where you can have a snack, a pint of beer, or just sit by the fireplace. By the way, the author of the clubhouse reconstruction is probably the most famous Portuguese architect, Alvaro Siza. He also designed the brand new building of the thermal spa. In stark contrast to the luxury of the main Belle Epoque building, the spa is a minimalist oasis of clean lines and white marble. This modern zen-like space has a calming effect in itself. Vidago mineral water is a key component of the spa and is used in signature treatments. The spa features 20 treatment rooms, including hydrotherapy and couples rooms, a 15-meter indoor pool, an outdoor treatment pool, a hammam, sauna and ice fountain, a relaxation room with the architect's signature lounges, and a fully equipped gym. These exceptional features have earned Vidago Palace international recognition and numerous awards. It is a member of the leading hotels of the world and continues to prove its excellence. In 2022, Vidago Palace was awarded the Gold Key of the prestigious Portuguese guide Boa Cama, Boa Mesa, and Expressa newspaper named it a benchmark in the tourism and hospitality sector in Portugal.
Friends, I hope you like this story, and now you have more vivid impression what Belle Epoque looks like. And I highly recommend to visit this property and to enjoy nature and architecture and design. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment something nice, and share this video with your friends. Maybe they will come with you to visit this nice hotel. Bye.